Need a song to celebrate life. Never thought I'd have so many struggles tied up in all of this strife. But it shaped me, helped me grow ways that I could never know. Made me go down interesting pathways in an attempt to find my road. And there have been times where sometimes I've sunk underneath the den. Ended up in lairs with other players. I wished I'd not been transported there. I've sat around the table with characters you could not even dream. With beauteous ones and demons. The balance of life is what it seems. But at some point I asked myself, where am I going? Something bigger than I is taking me and helping me flowing to all of these spaces that my trauma has chosen. So now I am asking, at what point was I broken? Not to say that the pieces of the puzzle don't line up, just that reinforcing decisions based on low self-worth is not what is high. So as time goes on and confidence becomes a thing of the past, looking back at shadows of yourself and asking where the last one was, version that stopped giving up, girl with that smile. Someone who would beguile you. So there are times in life where you need to fall in love with yourself again. Take yourself in hand and ask, darling, where do I begin? To get to know all of the parts of you that are really begging for a little heart-to-heart and some healing. Oh, don't give up on this road. No, many times that I've been told, don't go there, it'll only lead to trouble. But I know this path is right, 'cause it's the one that makes me humble. There have been many times and places I have doubted myself. But if I really think about it, I'd like to put those worries on the shelf. Underneath all of the fear and pain, there is a judgment unparalleled of knowing what is right from wrong and how to defend myself. And the skill set I've accrued is not just for me. In the times my voice has been repressed, I know now how to set it free. So I ask, how can I heal myself to bring out what is real? And I ask myself, if I share this medicine, will others see, understand, and begin to do the same? To speak love into their name, to hold oneself tenderly, to meet and to greet parts that just want to be free. So I'm gonna lead by my own line, Gonna follow the patterns till all falls in time, to a place that feels like I'm flowing. 5 elements take hold in the mind, in the body, in the heart, in the soul, in connections to people from all over that I know. And all of these parts into balance they will come. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, girl, for the healing's already begun.